Good morning, everybody. This is Jim Barrett from RGL Futures. Yesterday we spoke a little bit about how when a market is trending, ignore the price. Don't be worried about too high a price. Go with the action. I mentioned that the notes and bonds, especially the bonds and the ultra bonds, outperforming. In other words, the long end of the curve. The trend is for it to be outperforming. That's where people on a worldwide basis searching for yield are running to, obviously. And I also mentioned the danger in looking at price and thinking, possibly you want to fade this monster. That highly suggested you not do that, and I still do. Now, we got another piece of data this morning. Obviously, unemployment number worse than expected. Not only that, previous unemployment numbers were revised downward. So the news follows the trend. Trend's up. The news is bad. We pushed through even levels. Again, I said don't focus on price, but focus on action. But anyways, we pushed through some levels, historic levels. I got to mention that. We busted through the 150 in the 10-year note. Never been that low. We approached 2.5 in the 30-year bond. Didn't quite get there. Again, another historic new low. Apparently, some German paper. Actually went negative. The yields are actually negative on the German 2-year note. We're in the midst of a mad scramble. However, nobody knows how long it can continue. The point is no reversal action here. I mean, you still want to be betting more or less on continuation. This unemployment situation was so bad that some interesting outside market activity has occurred. We got a big bounce in the gold and silver, which were oversold. The stocks, however, can't seem to make up any ground, gap lower, and are still seriously lower. So, I mean, the backdrop again remains favorable. And then we got momentum, people jumping into notes and bonds also. Only game in town. So, I mean, look for this all. Look for this all to continue. Obviously, things could consolidate a bit, but again, we want to stick with trades with the trend. I can be reached at 800-500-2461. Remember, there's a risk of loss in commodity futures trading. Certainly not for everyone. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.